If you're on the lookout for the next big thing in online trading, you're in the right place. Today, we're delving deep into the fascinating world of Quantico Cap. As someone who's explored various online opportunities over the years, I've seen the highs and lows of the trading world. Quantico Cap recently caught my attention, and I'm excited to share my insights with you. Let's kick things off by understanding what sets Quantico Cap apart. Founded by the innovative Erick Salgado, the mind behind Builderall, this platform offers more than just your typical trading experience. At the heart of Quantico Cap is its NASDAQ trading momentum indicator. Now, I've been around the block, and when I first heard about it, I admit I was skeptical. But, as the saying goes, the proof is in the pudding. And the success stories I've come across are hard to ignore. Stories like Maurice making $3,571 in a single day, and Paulo cashing in an impressive $15,000 are floating around. Now, of course, we approach these with a degree of caution, but the sheer volume of positive feedback is noteworthy. But how does Quantico Cap actually work? The platform's NASDAQ trading momentum indicator, seamlessly integrated with TradingView, is the star of the show. Constantly scanning the market during trading hours, it provides real-time alerts for buy or sell signals, stop-loss points, and exit strategies. Curiosity got the better of me, and I decided to give it a shot. Starting with a demo account, the consistent returns were promising. Transitioning to real trading, I'm now generating over $150 in daily profit with a minimal investment. Let's take a look at my results. The simplicity of following the indicator's guidance and the potential returns were too compelling to ignore. Now, let's talk about the visionary behind Quantico Cap, Erick Salgado. Known for his success with Builderall, Erick's transition into the trading world is backed by a vision of a quantum trading system crafted by mathematicians and developers. This adds a layer of credibility to the platform. Quantico Cap's success isn't just about its features, but the tangible results it's delivering. With an average of 20 trades per day and a profit factor of 1.29, the platform emphasizes a balanced and consistent approach to trading. It's not just about individual success, it's about community support. The Quantico Cap Discord group provides a space for traders to share experiences, learn from each other, and grow together. Now, that's something we can all appreciate in the sometimes solitary world of trading. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the investment potential. Backtesting results showcase promising returns, with a hypothetical investment of $10,000 potentially yielding over $198,359 within a year. However, it's essential to be aware of associated costs, such as the $200 monthly membership fee. If you're intrigued and considering taking the plunge, here's a comprehensive guide on getting started with Quantico Cap. From setting up your TradingView account to understanding the indicator and community engagement, we've got you covered. Remember, in trading, consistency is key. Quantico Cap's success lies not just in its features, but in the discipline of following the strategy. It's about managing risks, making informed decisions, and staying committed to your financial goals. Let's take a moment to highlight some success stories within the Quantico Cap community. Individuals like Maurice and Paulo, who we mentioned earlier, are just the tip of the iceberg. The platform's consistent positive feedback underscores its effectiveness. Now, here's where it gets exciting. If you decide to give Quantico Cap a try using the link in the description, drop a comment below. I'll personally invite you to our live trading group. It's a space where beginners can trade together, support each other, and share insights. Because, let's face it, trading is more fun when it's a shared experience. Before we wrap up, let's touch on some critical investment considerations. Yes, there's a $200 monthly membership fee, but with an important website dashboard update, it means you no longer need a TradingView subscription or the market data, as it's all built into their slick trading dashboard. But as with any investment, only use funds you can afford to lose. In conclusion, Quantico Cap isn't just a trading platform. It's a gateway to a realm of financial possibilities. With a robust NASDAQ trading momentum indicator, a supportive community, and user-friendly features, embracing Quantico Cap could mark the beginning of a rewarding financial journey. If you've enjoyed this video, click the link in the description to try the Quantico Cap indicator. Use my link and I'll personally invite you to our live trading group. Don't forget to watch the video showcasing real results from everyday users. Until next time, happy trading.